How to fix a WAN 9003 error while launching Valorant. So the problem basically arises when you have not enabled secure boot on your BIOS. In order to check whether you have enabled it or not, simply go to Windows and type system information. And on the BIOS mode, if you are not seeing UEFI, you are having a problem while opening the game. So in order to fix this, make sure that UEFI is enabled in BIOS mode, and also make sure that secure boot state is on. But now I do have my BIOS mode set on UEFI and secure boot state on. I do not need to change it. But if you're having problem, restart your computer and go to BIOS mode. If you want to know the particular key to go to BIOS mode, you can search that. Simply search for BIOS key for Dell or Acer or your particular motherboard, and after that restart your computer, and you can see I am on the BIOS mode. And from here I will go to boot option and change it to UEFI and make sure that secure boot is enabled. And after that press save and exit, and after changing the BIOS option you should be able to solve your issue. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.